Kapag alam mong babalik ang taong mahal mo, hindi ba't mayroong sense of security kahit wala siya sa tabi mo? Ganito siguro ang nararamdaman ng mga taong tunay na sumasampalataya kay Jesus. We know that Jesus will come again and take us with Him to the Father. Kaya naman, meron mang mga pagsubok at lumbay, meron pa ring pag-asa at saya. But how about the many others who do not even know Christ? In the gospel, Jesus' heart was moved with pity for the people because they were troubled and abandoned like sheep without a shepherd. And so He urges us to ask the master of the harvest to send out laborers for His harvest. As baptized Catholics, tinatawag tayo to proclaim the good news of Jesus Christ. Hindi lang sa preaching, pero lalo na sa witnessing. Nasasalamin na ba sa iyo ang ligaya at pag-asang nagmumula kay Kristo? G ka ba?